Good morning children. Standard 9th History Unit 2 Ancient Civilization. It is a very interesting lesson because already you studied 6th standard in this valley civilization, development of the civilization. Okay, come to the lesson Ancient Civilization. So civilization that means was seen and organized of the society, organized way of life and the society, organized way of life and the society. It is a civilization. It is another one, development of the civilization, science and technology, writings and developed more building. It is like the civilization. It is like the civilization. There are the fourth number of civilization is that in our 9th standard, Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization, another one Indus civilization. First, we discuss the topic Egyptian civilization. Egyptian civilization. Egyptian civilization is the oldest civilization. Egyptian civilization is the oldest civilization. Monumental architecture. It is a development of this civilization. Monumental architecture, agriculture, arts, science and the craft. That is the more development in the Egyptian civilization. It is the oldest civilization. Monumental architecture, another one agriculture, arts, science and the crafts. Next, come to this geography. Geography is irrigated by geography. Egypt is irrigated by the river Nile. Children, in Egypt it is on the more development. Irrigation, that means what children? We are utilizing for the cultivation purpose. In Tamil neer pasanam solluvom. It is the irrigation for the agriculture purpose. We are using for the what? Children, river Nile. And another one, desert or sea on both sides of the river Nile. Children, the Nile river we are utilized for irrigation facilities, but the river Nile, so both sides are only in the desert. Both sides it is desert. Is served as a means of the transport. And another one, the river Nile majorly used for what purpose, children? Transportation for Egypt. The Egypt is called the gift of Nile. So irrigation facilities we are using, another one transportation facilities we are using, another one trade relationship we are using. So only Egypt is called the gift of Nile. So only Egypt is called the gift of Nile. Egypt become the intimately connected with the Sangam age of Tamilakam by the sea road. So it is a trade relation. It is a trade relation. It is mostly connected with which period, children? Sangam age of Tamilakam. Sangam age of Tamilakam. So geography, the Egypt is irrigated by the river Nile. Deserts or sea both side of river Nile is served as a means of transport. So Egypt was called the gift of Nile. Egypt become intimately connected with the Sangam age Tamilakam by the sea road. Next, move to Pharaohs. The Pharaohs that means the Egyptian kings. The people that treated Pharaoh, that is the divine form. So people, the Pharaoh that means the Egyptian kings. In the olden days, the king considered as a god, it's a form of the divine form. And another one, the hierarchy of the official including. Okay, the hierarchy of the official including wizards, the governors of province, local mayors, tax collectors. Another one, entire social system. So entire social system work under production. So entire social system work under productions. They supported by who, children? Artisans. They supported by who? Artisans. Stone cutters, potters, carpenters, coppersmith and blacksmith, peasants and workers. Coppersmith, you know children, to making the copper, goldsmith, you know, make the gold, and carpenter, that is making windows and doors and making the potters, the stone cutters, in present is the farmers, all this, the entire social system. So entire social system, it is only supported that person. And another one, slave was not common. Slave was not common, but if needed, the people utilized for another slave. Okay. Another it is moved to is agriculture. To cultivate it. So agriculture is very important in the Egyptian civilization. To cultivate it, wheat, barley, millets, vegetables, fruits, papyrus and cotton. This is a very important one, papyrus, because making rope mats, and paper. Another one is the domesticated animals, cattle, sheep, goat and pigs. So another trade. So the trade, Lebanon, Crete, Syria and Palestine, we are using for the trade purposes. And main imported trades. Another the imported trades, gold, silver and ivory. Gold, silver and ivory is the imported goods. So another main topic is very familiar in Egyptian civilization. You know the mummies of the Egypt. So what is the mummy? The preserved dead body. The preserved dead body is called the mummy. Is called the mummy. And another one, mummification சொல்வாங்க. Is another one is the stone coffin. The stone coffin, that means what, children? To store the dead body. To store the dead body. This one is சொல்றாங்கன்னா sarcophagus. Sarcophagus. Already the previous lesson you discussed burial types of like, so one of the types is the sarcophagus. That burial types we are using for Egyptians. It is called as the mummy. So another one, art and architectures. You know Egypt now, you know your mind is coming pyramids. What, children? Pyramids. Okay, the pyramids. The massive monuments. Massive children, it is a big one. So pyramids, massive monuments, they built as domes. Okay, the great pyramids near Cairo, that is, it is called the Giza pyramids. What, children? Giza pyramids. The great pyramids near Cairo, it is known as the Giza pyramids. And another one, the Sphinx of Giza. The great Sphinx of Giza. It is a very important one, children. The great Sphinx of Giza. It is a massive limestone. Image of a lion with a human head. Its body is a lion, but the head is the human head. Okay. So another important, it is the great Sphinx of the Giza. It is the main important one. It is a massive limestone image of a lion with a human head. And another one it is religion. To practice paleotheism, that means to worship or believe more than one god. It's a major god, Sun Re is a prominent god. Sun Re is a prominent god. In later, the sun god is called Ammon. The sun god is called Ammon. The sun god is called Ammon. The another one, philosophy, science and literature. Children, during this period, mathematics and astronomy and science and technology, it's everything is under the literature, science, mathematics, astronomy, everything is developed. And major important one, the sundial, water, clock and glass, it is developed. It is a major one, solar calendar. The solar calendar is 12 months of the 30 days. 12 months of the 30 days. It is introduced nearly 4200 BC. 4200 BC. Another is a major important one, the literary works. Mathematics, astronomy, medicine, magic and religion. It is a major literary work. It's another important one, writing system, children. It's a very important one. It's the development of the writings in Egyptians. It's a hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics is only this type of writings only used for inscription. Only used for inscription. The hieroglyphic, that means the small pictures of small pictures of sound and word. The small picture, it's on the sound and word. It is on the making the hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics. And another one, the hieratic. That is hieratic. It is this writings are used for only common purpose. Common purpose. Another one, pictogram. This writing is used for only text and books. Text and books. During that period 3000 BC, it is on the development of the writing. So Egyptian peoples, it is more developed in the writings. So once again let's recall the point. So ancient civilization. So ancient civilization is a major civilization, Egyptian civilization. So it is the oldest civilization, art, architecture and science, literature, or is one the more developed in this civilization. It's a major important one, pyramids, and another one it is one the mummies. So mummies of the Egypt. So mummies, that means the preserved dead body is called. It is one the in mummies. Another in Egypt it is major important one is a literary works and literary works. Another one, writing is the way of the writings of the hieroglyphics and the hieratic, and another one, pictogram writing is a very famous writings of the Egyptian civilization. Thank you.